Okay, this is monitor HP P22 G5. How do you set it up? So let's open the monitor. Okay, so bring out this content of it. Bring this out. Gently bring out the monitor. You have these connectors, accessories. Open it. Open this monitor. You open it. Okay, you have this. You have this. This is for closing this place. Okay, it's closed. Then the next is okay. You have this, then push it in. It's in. Okay, then you have this. Now ensure that this place faces this, and then lightly. You have some. You have this USB. You can connect it at the back. So that's how to do it. And now you fix it to it. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and help me share. Thank you for watching. Bye.